Well guys, looks like we will be replacing a belt on the PX46Z Poulan Pro. That's French. We're going to remove the two bolts here to take this cover off, and we can assess the situation. See, the belt is kind of frayed up there, so we will be replacing that. It's not actually broken. It did pop off the track right here, so you have to remove this pulley right here. Would be the best bet to get that off. So here is your back pulley. You can see the belt just comes right off of that. Push that all forward and take it out through the front. I was able to just lift this up off of there, so I didn't have to take anything apart. And it is stuck right here a little bit, so we'll see if we can get that out. That's what I'll work on. It's moving, so it should come right out. From the front view there, so you can see it's stuck in there. So the belt is not broken. The diagram's right here, so how it goes on. Well, it is stuck under there, so this is a 14 millimeter, and it's coming off. So, well, that worked. That got it off of there, so it came all the way loose. Make sure you take any kind of strings or whatever you want to say, that Kevlar, whatever they're made out of nowadays, out of there. And it is free. Time to go get a new one. Well, the belt has came, and it's from Global Parts in Georgia. There's the address if you need parts. Off of eBay. So hopefully it's the right belt. I always wonder about that. Did I order the right one, or did they send the right one? So we will find out. So a Poulan Pro is made by Husqvarna, and right there is the part number. So there was some replacements because the original one was discontinued or something. Even has the diagram on the back side. So looks like it's original part Husqvarna belt. Has a little tag on it here. So I have to get that off somehow. We had to cut that little plastic tab off, and there's a sticker there, made in Mexico, and has some kind of ID number on it. And then there is this that's printed on there. Alright, so if you loosen up this pulley right here, see it's kind of tilted, you can get that belt on there. It goes on that pulley just like this diagram, so it goes that way and backwards. I'll show you from the back and from the front. So in the back it goes around there, all the way up, and you can see how that pulley is tilted to help you get that on there. You can pull this spring and release that spring right there if you want to, and that will assist you. Here's another view of the spring. So it's connected right here to the deck, and it's right up there. So you can take that spring off, and that will also loosen it up to help put that belt on there. And then just tighten up this bolt, which I already left my 14mm up there ready to be bolted back on. Alright, so then you put your cover back on there, and you're ready to go. Ready to rock and roll. Well, there is our old belt. So, see you, Mr. Old Belt.